Hey, this is JC and welcome to Small Brick City. In this video, we'll explore how to make a Lego vending machine. I've always wanted to build a Lego vending machine that was minifig in scale and also did not take up too much space on a base plate. And this is my solution. I recently designed it for my motorcycle and bike shop, which is currently up on Lego Ideas. If you like this set and would like it to be an official Lego set, your vote will mean a lot. So just follow the link in the card above or the link in the description. My vending machine measures 3 studs deep and 4 studs wide. It can fit in that space because there are no more protrusions, and it is minifig scale, so the height is just right. There are 4 different cans that you could possibly choose from, or 4 different drinks, and there is a can behind the dispenser which is loose and you can actually see it right there, but you can't open it up to take it out. I should mention that onemorebrick.com sells a very nice vending machine, and that's this one right over here. I actually bought this pretty early on because I really liked the design. Now it's really beautiful, as you can see, and it gives you a great choice of 8 different drinks. Now the only issue I had with it is the size. It is pretty big. Now it's not that deep, it can fit within a 3 stud space. However, because of these protruding towels, it does take up a 6 stud wide space in a building or on a base plate. That's a lot of space for just a vending machine. And when I placed this vending machine along with a building, like a smaller building that fits anything smaller than a 32 by 16 footprint, it really seems oversized and too big. Even when you compare it to the minifig, it is pretty big. Now I do know that there are very large vending machines, so this technically could still be realistic, but in terms of scale, when placed with a Lego building and with the minifigs, I just personally felt that is too big, although it is really nice. And if you do want to check it out, just head over to onemorebrick.com. I should mention that this cracked sticker that you see here, I placed that there for myself for a little scene that I set for my Lego city. So if you'd like to know how to build my vending machine, which is this one over here, keep on watching and here are the parts you need. To make things easier to follow, I'll break the build into 2 parts. For the bottom half of the build, you need a cheese wedge piece, a 1x2 modified brick with studs on the front and studs on the side, a 1x1 decorated towel with a numbered plate. If you do not have this decorated towel, you could also just use a round stud like this, or maybe even a plain 1x1 towel. You need a single can, which is in the form of a round brick with a round towel above, a 1x4 brick, 2 1x2 bricks, 2 1x3 bricks, a 1x2 brick in a different color. I'm using this modified brick here because it looks a bit like a grill or a ventilation plate, a 1x4 plate, a 2x4 plate, and a 1x2 corner panel piece, transparent. To build, the 1x4 and 2x4 plates form the base of the vending machine. Hold these plates together with the 2 1x3 bricks. The modified brick goes behind like that, and the corner panel, or rather the 1x2 right angle panel, goes on like this. This is kind of the dispenser. Place the can inside and build up the rest of the walls or the base of the vending machine with the 1x4 brick and the 2 1x2 bricks on either side. Now we'll assemble this. This is kind of the keypad as well as the coin slot. Put that onto the 1x2 modified brick, and we'll place this aside for now. For the top of the vending machine, I recommend you use a contrasting color, but it's entirely up to you. In my design, I used 2 corner bricks, a 1x4 brick, 3 1x2 bricks, 2 1x1 bricks, and 4 2x3 plates, but in different colors. A 4x4 window piece. You need also 4 round bricks in different colors. 2 of the round bricks have round towels on it, 2 have round studs. A 1x4 towel and a 2x4 towel. To build, take 2 2x3 plates and place the window piece over the fronts, holding them together. you now want to stack a round brick with a tile piece on the round brick with a stud, so that you get 2 stacks of round bricks to form the cans. And this is placed in the middle of the base of the top of the vending machine, just like that. You now need to build around the vending machine, around these bottles, and basically you can start off any way you want. Let's start off with the 1x4 brick to kind of seal everything together. That leaves us 2 spaces for a 1x1 brick on either side. Now let's lock it in place with a 2x2 or 1x2 brick on either side, and cap everything with the corner 3 stud bricks. So that's really solid. You want to cover everything with the remaining 2 2x3 plates like this, and you cover the front or the top of the front with the tile pieces. So that's the top of the vending machine, and this is what you built earlier. Remember the keypad and the coin slot, you put that underneath the top of the vending machine like this, and you're going to place everything together. Press everything together, and there you have your vending machine. I hope you liked this video tutorial of this Lego vending machine. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.